Hey guys, how you doing? Before this video, I just wanted to tell you guys thank you so much for the support, man. We really appreciate it. And before we get in the store, I'm gonna show you the history about it. I'm gonna put it on the screen right after this frame. So yeah, check it out. And guys, new YouTube shorts upload every night at 8 p.m. Don't forget to check out the playlist section. Today, we're in downtown Melbourne. So let's go, guys. Hope you enjoy the video, and thanks for watching. Alrighty guys, I made it downtown Melbourne. About to cross these railroad tracks and it's right over there. So let's go check this out. Be careful of the bright line. And yeah guys, this is the first time we're getting anything like this on camera. Hope you enjoy it. New YouTube shorts upload every night at 8 p.m. Thanks for watching. Let's head on over there. It's right down here to the left. Here we go. See if they're open. Should be open. Look at all this. Here's where we entered. Pretty cool. Alright guys, we just left. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, new YouTube Shorts upload every night at 8 p.m. And check out the playlist section. Thanks for watching.